Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing to do for you guys once again.
Mama.
Okay, as I was saying, I did another purchase. Well, my husband did another purchase off of Her Authentic. Again, I will link her handle down below. She's on Instagram, and then I think I forgot to put her YouTube channel on the last unboxing that I did, which was for the niece train case. I'm just gonna go with the flow in this one because I have one daughter awake and the other one is sleeping, and she likes to be in the videos all the time. But I'm gonna try and do this really quickly. So she had posted on her stories that she had a whole bunch of bags for for sale. So hubby jumped right on it and he purchased 2 handbags for me, you guys. And when I tell you that these bags look amazing, one of them does have a little bit more wear than the other one, but that's okay because you guys know that he had bought me from Saks the the monogram GM. Oh my God, Never Full. I'm like having a brain fart. He got me that one from Saks. So that one is like brand new. I don't want to get it dirty. You can play with those. I don't want to get it dirty. So I'm always like cautious. I even brought my dust bag for it. Anyway, so he purchased 2 bags for me and I'm just going to go over what they are. So this is the Petite Noe monogram. This one was for $4.25. And as you can see, the patina is really nice on the bag. I love it so much. There's no cracks at all in the bags or on the leather or anything. It's still in really great condition. Just, the usual wear and tear. But I mean, look how amazing this bag is, you guys. The inside doesn't have it's not stained at all, and I believe she does clean them anyway before she sells them. And then this is her little tag. It just says Her Authentic high-end resale. So this is her little tag right there. It says remove the tag and enjoy your new bag. How cute. So this is the Noe. The petite one.
Mama, I popped these.
Yeah. I think the little knot is coming off of the little drawstring, but that's okay. We'll just fix that up again. These bags are going to be so good for me since I don't want to ruin my brand new Neverfull. Stop. I don't want to ruin my brand new Neverfull, so this is going to be amazing for me just to grab and go, especially with the kids. I'm always worried that I'm going to get my purse really dirty. So this is going to be awesome for me just to put my phone, my glasses, anything that I want to put just to throw in here. So you're going to wake up Zia. So yeah, this is her, you guys. I love it so much. And then the second one, oh my God, the second one that he bought me was the Ellipse Monogram PM. This one was $4.75. Again, she has her little tags on here, but you guys, look how beautiful this one is. She is amazing.
Yeah, this is so amazing.
The patina on it is so pretty.
Patina.
It's still in great condition. Let's open her up. Oh, and this one has the little lock to it.
This has a lock to it.
See her? She's copying me. When we spoke, it doesn't have the key, so I guess it's just gonna stay on there. It's fine. I never even asked if it came with the key. When let me just show you the inside. So the inside is clean. It's got the little pocket here, and it's got like a little tab where you can hang your keys or whatnot. It's in excellent condition, you guys. It looks so good. Like whoever had this bag really took great care of it. Both of these actually. And then it didn't come with the strap, but it did come with this, she called it a generic strap. It came with this one, and she said she was gonna throw it in anyway for me. So this is the strap. I don't even know what kind of strap this is, but it'll work because, you know, you need to be hands-free when you have kids. And this is just the strap that she threw in. It's the strap that actually came with the bag. Not the real thing, but it'll work. But it's gonna work anyway. So I really, really love this bag, you guys. It is so cute. Its structure is still really nice. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for a pre-loved purse, Louis Vuitton, you guys should definitely follow her on Instagram, follow her YouTube. She's always posting stuff almost every day. Sorry about my error. It always happens. Something always happens when I'm trying to record something. But I will link everything down below once again for you guys. I personally love doing business with her because she does not sell like things that are too damaged. I mean, I'm sure she gets things that are, you know, a little damaged than others, but for the most part, all 3 of my purchases that I have gotten from her have been amazing. I love them so much, and thank you to my hubby for spoiling me with 2 more Louis Vuitton bags.
And Mama.
I love them. So thank you again for watching. Comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!